and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so today I'm not really going to explain my bun portion too much, really just focusing on my edges so you guys can see that in detail. If you want to see a thorough bun tutorial, then please leave that in the comments below, and then you guys can watch and see what I do throughout the rest of the video. We're gonna take them off. The 24-hour, whatever. The 24-hour EBIN. Okay, so here's where all the magic is going to start happening. Yes, I still use my Eco Styler gel. My hair is not falling out. It does not flake on me. Everything is just fine and dandy with my Eco Styler gel. But you just use the Eco Styler gel basically to just mold your edges at first, like a rough draft, you know. So you really just use the Eco Styler gel. I use my finger. I hold down and then I just swipe up, basically, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm explaining this well, but you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna hold my finger, swipe up, like, and make the little swoop with my finger. Like, wherever my finger is placed, that's where it's going to make that swoop, if you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm really just using my Eco Styler gel just to give myself a rough draft of how I want my edges to lay and where I want them to lay. So really, it's what they should look like after you do the little rough draft parts. And yeah, you will see in the next clip of what I do next. Okay, last thing. So just do the same thing you did with your Eco Styler gel, except you're going to use your edge control. So the edge control you just put over the Eco Styler gel, and this will make sure that your edges do not move. When I use this edge control, my edges really stay the whole day, and they really stay in place. So I'm just gonna go in with my edge control brush and and swipe that all in. And then once you do all of that, of course, you can start using the back end, which I like to use the comb because it lays everything flat, like basically combing through your edges to lay them down, if that makes sense to y'all. I don't know if I'm making sense on here, but hopefully you guys will see that this is what I do, and it really works for me. So you're just gonna go in, brush all of your product into your edges, you know, keep molding them to the way that you like, and then they will be laid. A good thing about using the Eagle Styler gel as your rough draft is so that when you put your edge control on top of it, it will still be loose and able to move. As you guys can see how it's acting crazy right here with me. I just went back and put a little bit more Eagle Styler gel back on to loosen it, and then put the edge control on top again just to make sure that it lays well. Because once you put that edge control on, honey, it is like it will not move, you guys. Y'all will have to comb it out for it to move. So yeah, I just went back in and added like another layer of Eco and another layer of the EBIN, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I left my scarf on for about 5 minutes, and this is what my edges look like. Now, of course, everybody's edges is different because everybody's hair is different. Mine is really curly, so my edges, like, they just do their own thing, but they still be cute. So yeah. Done. Gonna give you guys one last quick look of my edges. These are what they look like. Y'all know that edges can make a style pop, because before I did all of this, y'all saw how I looked, just a hot butt mess. But yes, these are your edges once they are completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. I want to say thanks to everyone that entered the giveaway and participated. You guys showed major love, and I appreciate it so much. The winner I will post on the screen below, which I already announced about 2 days ago, but I will be having other giveaways, and I don't want you guys to get discouraged, because I mean, I think I have so many good things in store, hair giveaways, all type of things. So I want to say thank you again, and I hope you guys keep subscribing, keep watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you guys soon.